Want to know how to take this background and turn it into this? Well, keep on watching. Welcome everyone, I have an awesome video for you today, and today we're going to do a how to paint 2 galaxy backgrounds in under 5 minutes. So go ahead and grab your paint, and we're going to start off with a blue galaxy. So we want to have at least 2 to 3 blue colors and a white. We're going to start off with the darkest mixture that we have, and I've already stained the background of this painting. The technique that we're using is going to give you a really nice coverage, so it's not necessary, but you can do that if you prefer. And what we're aiming for is something similar to this piece right here. This is a green version of what we're going to be doing today, minus those big white stars. You can always add those if you prefer. Now we go to the second mixture, second darkest color, and we're just going to go ahead and add around the background, depending up to your choice where you want them, but you want to kind of have scatter them around, also using the lighter mixture. And then we're going to go ahead and use just pure white, and we're going to just mix very lightly into the wet paint. We're doing a wet on wet mixture on the canvas itself. Now once we have that, we're going to go ahead and flicker some stars into this background using a slightly damp brush with some white paint and using another brush to flicker those bristles. This is a really fun and easy technique. I recommend you experiment with it, how close to the canvas or how far, so you can see how the stars scatter and differ. Now we're going to go ahead and get a toothbrush, and we're going to use some watered down white with a little bit tint of blue, and we're going to go ahead and do the same thing. We're going to splatter some more stars into this background. And the brush technique gives you more stars very quickly, and you can, again, it differs depending on how close or far you have it from the canvas. And here is our finished background. It looks so pretty. This piece is already very colorful. The characters have very colorful clothing. So I did not want to go ahead and add any tint, but you can add some tints of color, like here in this one where there's some tints of yellow. Using some very light washes will give you that effect. Now we're going to go ahead and move on to the red galaxy background. And we're going to get some red colors that we have here and some yellow to just give them more of an orange tint to some of these blends that we're doing. So again, we already have the background tinted with a really dark red, and we're going to use one of our lighter colors, and we're going to go in reverse. So we're going to go ahead and do a very heavy hand on the corners, and towards the middle of the piece we're going to go ahead and mix very light, because we want some of that dark color to come through, and this color that I'm using is kind of transparent, so it's going to give you a really nice overlaid effect. And don't forget to go ahead and mix in some of your reds in here. Now we're going to go ahead and use a pure black, and we're going to go ahead with a very light hand and mix it into the wet paint. We're doing some very wet on wet blends here right directly on the canvas. Makes it a very easy to get the effects that we want. Now we're going to go ahead and use some white, and we're just going to go ahead and tap. You don't have to swivel the brush, you're just tapping it up and down to the side. You're just tapping until that white blends into that wet paint. Again, don't be afraid to add more white if you want lighter tones of these colors. Now with the wet brush that already has some watered down white, we're going to go ahead and do some stars. This time we're going to go ahead and tap the brush, not the bristles, just the barrel of the brush with another brush. Again, all these techniques, don't be afraid to experiment with these brushes so you can see how your stars will look, how the splatters of the stars differ depending on how you go ahead and apply them. The harder you tap onto this brush, the more thicker, bigger stars we're going to get. Now we're going to go ahead and use the toothbrush. This time I'm showing you how I love to dip it into the water, and then you're going to go ahead and get some white paint, and you're just going to tap it on the palette to really push it into the bristles. And this is my favorite part now. We're going to go ahead and with our thumb, we're just going to flicker it. Very easy way to make some stars, and you can go ahead and change the direction of where the stars go, how they splatter. Experiment with your tools. And here we are finished with the second galaxy painting in just under 5 minutes. If you get some of the paint of the stars on areas you don't want, you can just wipe it away with a damp cloth or with your finger. It's no big issue. So here are the two galaxies. One is a blue, one is a red. Again, you can go ahead and always add a little bit of hint of color like I did here. A little bit, just slight yellow on there. You can just do it with some light washes. I didn't want to do it too much, too obvious like in the green one. The overall painting is already very colorful. So here they are. Let me know which one of these two you liked and if you tried this technique in your paintings. Here are all three of them. They look great together side by side. I showed you how I painted Venus in this green one in a different video. You can check it out in the links down below or up in the iCard. I really love this blue one because my fairy color is blue, so I like this galaxy effect. If I want a little bit more pinks or purples in there, again, I can usually do that with a wash. Here is the red one. Really looks really nice. I really like those dark colors behind the figures. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe, hit that thumbs up and bell notification down below so you don't miss out on future videos. And while you're at it, why not check out this other video that I think you'll find very helpful and very entertaining.